Name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Good morning to all of my dear students and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Well, students, I hope you all are in good health. I am your teacher of subject English. So let's start today's lecture. And today is 2nd of December 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Let's move ahead to see the next picture. Alright, and the topic of today's lecture is words, meanings and word sentences. Okay, and the topic of today's lecture is words, meanings and word sentences related to the unit 5, which is poem named The Snare. Okay, you must be very familiar with it because we have already read it in our previous lecture and we have already done the short question answer and MCQs as well. So today we are going to do the words, meaning and sentences, and the long question answer inshallah we'll do in our next lecture. Okay, here you go, you can see the picture which has been taken from your textbook of English, and this poem is given on the page number 60. If you see, so जल्दी से सब बच्चों अपनी सारी ये पूरी स्टोरी का जो थीम है ना उसको माइंड में लिया और just recall the story of the snare. Okay, what was actually the theme of the poem, The Snare? Snare means that to trap someone or animals with loops. Okay, and you can see here this poem comprises on the main character is rabbit, and behind the grass you can see a boy who is actually looking for the rabbit everywhere but could not find the rabbit. Okay, because the rabbit is been trapped in the loop by the paw, यानी कि जो उसका पाँव है ना, जो उसका पंजा है वो ट्रैप हो गया. ठीक है, and the rabbit is crying with pain and the rabbit is very frightened and he's calling out for the aid, for the help, and he is asking everyone in the air. His voice is just spreading allwhere in the air, and the rabbit is just asking for the help and calling someone that please come, someone help me. Okay, and you can see that boy just listen the frightening sound of the rabbit, and he's been looking for everywhere of the rabbit but cannot find. Okay, cannot find the place that from where the voice is coming out. Well, this is called The Snare. Here you go, you can see the words meanings which are related to the snare, and you can see here words meanings are given in front of you. It's total 5 in numbers. Well, the number I'm going to read one by one and you have to follow me. You have to read the words meanings as well with me. Okay, and please students, watch the video carefully. Take out your notebooks, make sure that you have your pencils, eraser, sharpener, everything with you, and please make sure that you are putting the date as well, and write the unit number first and then unit name and then write the topic. Okay, now draw the margin line and then draw the middle line in the page, and in the one side write words and to the other side write meanings. Okay, now give the number 1 and start to read. S-N-A-R-E, snare, snare, S-N-A-R-E, snare. Alright, and snare meaning is trap. Snare meaning is trap, यानी कि किसी चीज़ में फंस जाना. Number 2 is A-F-R-A-I-D. A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Afraid meaning scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Okay, number 1 is snare, meaning is trap. Snare, trap. Number 2 is afraid, scared. Number 3 is A-I-D, aid. A-I-D, aid. Aid meaning help. Aid meaning help, यानी कि मदद करना. Okay, number 4 you can see here, P-A-W, paw. P-A-W, paw. जैसे वी हैव द फुट, हमारे फुट होते हैं, लेकिन जो एनिमल्स के फुट हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पॉ. ओके, एंड द मीनिंग इज FOOT, फुट यानी कि पाँव. Number 5 is WRINKLING, wrinkling. WRINKLING, wrinkling. Wrinkling meaning making lines on face, यानी कि face पे lines का बन जाना. Okay, so students, here you go. I'm going to repeat all of the words meanings again. Snare, trap, afraid, scared, aid, help, paw, foot, wrinkling, making lines on face. Okay, now go to the next page of your notebook. Draw the margin line again. Draw the less line for the words and left more space for the sentences. Okay, don't draw the same line for the words meaning and the sentences, and please go to the next page for the word sentences. All right, and make sure that you are writing, you are putting the date and writing the unit number, unit name, and the topic as well. Now let's move ahead to see word sentences. Now we are going to do word sentences. You can see here the word sentences are given in front of you. Number 1 is HEAR, here. HEAR, here. Here means I can hear you. I can hear you यानी कि मैं आपको सुन सकती हूँ. ठीक है, I can hear you. Number 2 is frightened, FRIGHT, यानी to frightened. Frightened meaning I'm not frightened of anything. मुझे किसी चीज़ से खौफज़दा नहीं हूँ. I'm not frightened of anything. Number 3 is rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. I saw a rabbit, मैंने एक rabbit देखा. Okay students, one thing which you need to keep in your mind, that when you are writing the one word, and then first of all make the sentence, then write the next word. Don't write the whole words at once. Okay, because sometimes you don't leave any space for the sentence. Okay, so make sure that you are writing the word and then complete the sentence, then go to the next line for the next sentence. Okay, all right. Number 4 is SEARCHING, searching. SEARCHING, searching. Searching मैंने ढूंढा. I'm searching for food. I'm searching for food यानी कि मैं खुराक की तलाश में हूँ. ठीक है, कर रहा हूँ, तलाश कर रही हूँ. I'm searching for food. Number 5 is LITTLE, little. Little meaning छोटा. And the sentence is I have a little pencil. I have a little pencil. Anyway, students, these are 5 word sentences you can see here. Here, frightened, rabbit, searching, and little. I have given all the sentences in front of you. If you want to make sentences by your own, so you can make it, but make sure that it's correct. Okay, alright. The homework is do words meanings and word sentences on your notebook. Means you have to do the words meaning and the sentences on your notebook, the same pattern which you have been using in the classroom. Okay, and make sure that you are writing with the neat and clean writing. Okay, mess nahi karna. Don't make your copy dirty. Do your work very neat and clean. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Enjoy yourself.